Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right now, as you can see, I am at the beach. And we are gonna be here for a week, fishing, swimming, and doing a whole pile of fun stuff. Probably mostly just gonna film the fishing, but yeah, we're here for a week, so I'll have plenty of time to go fishing. I just went to the store and spent about $100 on fishing stuff. This is the one I got, the fishing pole I got. It's a Penn, the brand is Penn Wrath. It's an 8,000 and it is way bigger than it looks. It's a heavy 10-foot rod, so hopefully if I catch a big fish it won't break the rod. Anyways, we are gonna be here for a whole week, like I said. And this is a long intro, but, you know, I gotta have like several episodes maybe. Last time didn't really work out right. I kind of made a false promise. What in the world?
Are you finally?
Having freaking major difficulties, bro.
What are you doing in here?
Just get out of here, bro.
Are you even supposed to be in this closet?
I think we're supposed to be.
I'm pretty sure that door is supposed to be locked. So I'm gonna stop boring y'all, and we're gonna get down there to the beach and probably catch some bait, do something. I'll put on my GoPro so next time I put some GoPro. Alright, Eric's going to take his creation here.
Bro, that is like one of my highlights in my life right there now.
And he is going to go down to the creek and get us some bait.
Hey, go check out Eric's Outdoor Life to see how I made it.
Alright guys, we are out here on the beach. This is our second day here. Yesterday was kind of uneventful with fishing. We did catch some bait fish. So we did fish a little bit last night. I didn't have my GoPro or other camera with me, but I caught a little tiny, well, I mean it was probably 2-pound catfish, sea cat, but other than that I didn't hardly catch. I didn't catch anything else. So we're out here again this morning and we're gonna see if we can catch at least something. Alright guys, I hooked up with something. I don't know what it is. It's pull and drag though. Oh goodness. I think it might be a ray. Yeah, it's a ray. Eric fought one of these last year for like an hour and a half. Oh goodness. Alright. It's right here. It's a stingray, it's not a fish. Alright, we are out here this morning on the beach. Woke up a little later than I was planning on. Eric's been out here for a while, but he already has my pole rigged up and out in the water, so I guess I don't have to do anything other than just sit here and watch.
What?
I said I guess I don't have to do anything with my pole other than just sit here. That one. Well, maybe that one. I'll go look. Alright guys, we've been out here for a while and have not even had a bite or anything really. So we're just gonna wrap it up for now, and we're gonna go back up to the house. All right, guys, we are once again out here on the beach. Tomorrow is the last day, so I decided I gotta stop messing around and I gotta catch some fish for all my fans out there that really want to see good content, and they're not gonna get. Yeah, and Eric's literally just talking about throwing a frisbee, and now, yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. Alright guys, we are about to head out, go fishing this morning. We're going to a place called the Stump Hole, and we're going to try to fish there because supposedly it's better fishing. Alright, we are here at the Stump Hole, as they call it, and that's why they call it that, because it's just full of stumps, like a mile and a half of just stumps sticking out of the ground. And there's a boogie board that somebody broke in half, and some gummy worms, and they just leave it on the beach. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get fishing somewhere around here. I'm not sure where. Alright guys, I literally just threw my line out, turn around and look at it, and I'm literally starting to get a bite. Alright, we finally caught a fish. Yay. I literally turned the camera off, and then he bit.
And it's a sticky catfish. Morning little joke. Me and Bryce just doubled up. Let's
Same
go.
time.
Yeah, buddy.
Huge fish.
No, let these things go. Hey, let's take pictures first so I can put them on Instagram and say we doubled up.
Okay, well, finally caught one though. Alright, that is not natural. Eric's hooked up with another one. Hey, got a shark. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at there. Eric got a nice shark. Hey, that's the biggest one yet.
Actually, a good sized shark. I mean, like, that's
Alright, go give me the flyer.
Tommy Beard.
I don't know. I don't know if we've ever.
Nice good bait.
Yeah, probably. Should I keep?
Yeah.
It's about the size of those minnows. Alright guys, we're gonna keep this thing. I'm gonna wash them off though. Trevor just got a catfish over there. Meanwhile, I ain't catching anything hardly. but whatever, we'll keep trying. Alright, I got something. Eric Hassan. Something little sea cat. That's a croaker. No, that's just.
Bro, you literally are kidding. That's a croaker ball.
Yeah. What are you using for bait? How do you catch sharks? Okay. Well, my hooks aren't big enough, but I guess I'll just throw it out there. It's a croaker.
Is that like a
It's a croaker.
croaker?
Alright guys, caught another little fish, croaker. I don't know, might just be only little fish that live here, but whatever. Alright, I just literally threw it out there, and now I'm reeling up something. Like I said, king of bait fish. Oh my word, it's another little, one of those first fish I caught.
Bryce, you catch only small fish.
Yeah, I did. Just me, only me.
You're the only one out here catching small fish.
Yep. Alright guys, I am hooked up with something big. Ooh. Ah, stupid stingray. No, it's just kind of. Oh wait, that ain't a stingray. That's a fish. Oh, that's a shark. Oh yeah, a cat. Nah. Hey, don't grab my line. Alright, that's a little bit better sized cat right there.
Oh wow.
Alright guys, I'm gonna let him go now. Big old cat. I thought it was something bigger than that though. Alright, James just caught a spotted sea trail. Meanwhile, I'm getting a bite. It's a big old shark or something. All right. Almost full. Pull it up. Grab its tail. Alright guys, I got a big old shark. Finally, the It's the biggest one so far. Alright guys, got something again. Barely threw it out there. Little bait fish. Alright. Alright guys, hooked up with something, a little bait fish or something. I literally can't tell what's the bait or what is. Oh my word. I wasn't even sure if this was the bait or what. That is a tiny little cricker. But we're gonna keep him for bait. Ain't no use. No point keeping him. He's perfect size. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger one. It's a cat. No, that ain't a cat. Yeah, it is a cat. Another catfish. Alright. I'm gonna turn the camera off until I catch something bigger. Alright, Eric just hooked up with a something, I don't know what it is, but it's decent. I just saw it splash out of it. I got something. Something little, I think. Little cat. It looks like the same thing I literally just caught. Stupid things. Alright, I've got with another something. Probably another one of them sea bass. I don't know what. Yep, another. Yep. Got something. Here, see if my GoPro is recording. Is it blinking?
No, should I start?
Yeah, turn. Alright guys, we are done with the day. We're leaving in the morning to go back to Georgia. And we won't be back down here to Florida for 2 years, I think. About 2 years. We're heading back in the morning, so I'm gonna just go ahead and end the video right here. And I gotta go in there, eat supper, and get some sleep. But thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next one.